And there's one for Benny Brown. Oh la la. Oh, Kodo. Well, hello, brothers. Wagwan. Everything there is. Oh, Kodo. Then, so, Angamo. You know, about friend also friend rice. Is it?
Na emu.
Angamo. Nche angwani oil. Emu ya rice. Nche angwamo rice oil and a rice brews. That's what I'm friend. So this one now I have the correct name. It's 1,000. No, it has It's 1,000.
Yeah.
So I was swapping the name. We have Keta Schoolboys. Only are bigger than this one.
Yeah.
Okay, that's Keta. The A1,000 because only is too much or PE. Then Posnay. Yeah, then Moko Tuntum, then Redfish.
Redfish.
Yeah. So, yeah, the answer be done another. In first spoon. Okay, you know also Pashito in the day. Radish and won't pay radish. When you there? When you do radish and made no. I don't want you do. Radish and made when you do. Amen. Wow. Okay, let's dive in. Yeah.
Let's dig in.
Let's dive. Orikodo. Hey, I'm not those one.
Hey.
I see. Anyway,
This feels so soft. I cannot even feel my hand.
Also,
Nice.
Mokona show.
I should share my tongue.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Hey, 1,000. 1,000 crap. No, we go.
I'd rather use Keta Schoolboy.
You want no 1,000. That's the name, 1,000.
Yeah, that's the actual name. I know, right? The person who made this food is good.
Obvious.
Yeah.
Obvious. It's me.
Yeah.
Obvious. Yeah, the food master. Right?
Yeah. I love your cooking master.
No, really. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Instead, I can call you Dada the photographer.
How was it?
It's good.
It's good.
Terrifying.
What? Terrifying.
It bends my tongue.
Okay,
It doesn't bend your tongue.
It doesn't stop me.
Yes, only African food you are in heaven. The other pizza, fries, chips, I don't like it.
Hey! Madame.
It's really nice. The rice is so succulent.
Hey!
I used avocado oil to cook it.
Cool.
You should use more of that.
Cool.
Cool, right?
It tastes more better.
It tastes more better, right? Yeah,
If you use the regular oil, it will be like too
Too oily.
Yeah. Anyway.